Hello, my name is Edgar. I manage the Power Systems Experience Center in Houston. This facility, basically what it does, I'm part of the electrical division for Eaton. We basically showcase as many of the Eaton electrical products that we make here. So one of the reasons that we partner with Sunshine is we're installing a microgrid here, the brain right here. That's what controls all the different sources, and we can decide, hey, if I want to use as much solar as I have, and depending on the time of day, I can use battery, and then I don't want to use very much utility. You can control thresholds and all that stuff with this bar right here. So the green bar is solar. I use that's blue to get more energy from solar, so it peaks solar.
Great, great. And what's your experience been like so far?
Great. I really like how responsive you guys are. You plan things out, but I also kind of like the fact that you guys are, if there's an opportunity arises and you can do something sooner, you're very open to like, hey, we have you scheduled for this day, but we have the panels early, can we start?
Yeah.
And for me in this facility, I like to get things done. And the way we sized it, the solar should take care of most of our energy usage. And of course, there's going to be a benefit financially from not having to pay as much in the utility. But our primary focus was to showcase the technology here so we can then sell this across the country. So our focus here is to bring customers in, show them what a microgrid can do, show them the installations of the solar, of the battery, of the generator, and how they all work together. And you guys do great customer service, great responsiveness. I definitely use you guys again.